Good morning. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Cuban coffee. First, we need a cafetera. A cafetera is a coffee pot that has two parts. Well, it has really three parts. So you have the bottom part where you put the water in, and it has a little button inside there. And you have to fill the water up to the button because you don't want to fill it over. Because if you fill it over, then it comes out on the side. Then you have this part right here, and this is where you put, well, this is where the coffee comes up out of. And it has a spout where the water pushes up the coffee and it comes out on the sides. You also have this part right here, which is the, I want to say container that you hold the coffee in. It goes into this part of the cafetera. Okay, so I'm going to fill this up with some water, so I'll be right back. And you remember just to fill up to that little button. It's a little dot inside there that, you fill it up to that little dot. I don't have a camera person today, so I'm trying to do the best I can by myself. Okay, and you fill up the container with coffee all the way to the top. Okay. Cubans love strong black coffee. Okay. So I don't know how many teaspoons it takes to fill it up. I have a small cafetera, so I think mine takes 5. If I'm not mistaken, I think it takes 5. Yeah, I think one more will do it. That's it. Okay. I wish my son was here to help me record because it would be a lot easier this morning. It's almost 7 o'clock in the morning. It's 6:56 in the morning, and I'm barely making it this morning. That's why I need a shot of coffee. Okay, so I'm gonna put this away. Well, I'll leave this here. I hope you guys can see me or see what I'm doing. I hope that I'm not doing this. That's why I really need a tripod. So when I don't have someone to help me record, I can do it myself. Okay. This part you want to leave open because you want to be able to see the first spouts of coffee that comes up. So I'm going to put this on the fire. Turn it on. And you have to be careful because the handle is made of plastic. Let's see. Yeah, the handle is made of plastic. So, let me see if you can see. See? It's made of plastic, so it would easily burn. And I've had this about maybe 5 years, and it hasn't burned yet because I try to be really careful with it. So I'm just going to put this down here so I can put the rest of this stuff away because I don't need all of this stuff out here. Okay, so I'm going to leave the sugar out because I have to put about, I'm going to say, some people use about 2 teaspoons, but I like 3. I like my coffee very sweet. And right now I do need it sweet. I need a kick. I really have to wake up this morning because I'm so sleepy. And I have so much stuff I have to do today. I have like a 2-hour drive all the way down to the city. And yeah, so I really need to be awake for this, right? This process usually takes about, I'm going to say, 2 to 3 minutes. I think more or less 3 minutes. When you get the first spout of coffee, you want to use the first few drops to make the crema, because if you use all the coffee that comes out of the container, it's going to be too weak. So you need the strongest part of the coffee, which is the first few drops of coffee from the cafetera. And I hope I can show you, because like I said, I'm doing this by myself, and I hope I can show you how the process is done. So I'm gonna I might have to make another video, but for right now I'm gonna just try my best with what I'm doing this morning. Each cafetera is different. Cafeteras, they come in all sizes. Mine's is a small cafetera because I'm the only one who really drinks coffee. Oh, my son drinks coffee also. My oldest, he drinks coffee, and so we both drink coffee. But so I didn't get a big one, and even my coffee pot, my regular coffee pot, that one is. Well, I had a small one, but I wound up getting a bigger one because my father, he comes over and he drinks coffee also. So, you know, I had to go out and purchase a larger pot because when he's here, oh my God, I think he drinks more coffee than me. So, let's see how this is doing. Okay, nothing yet. We have to wait a few more minutes. It's so early at the morning. I really, excuse me guys, I really need this coffee right now. I wake up. Now it's 7 o'clock in the morning. This is what I usually do when I get up. I usually get up, I pray. The first thing I do is open my eyes and I say a prayer and I thank God for the day. And then I come in the kitchen and I get my coffee out and I make my coffee. And then I can start my day. So, and then I try to think what meals I'm gonna prepare for the day, you know, because usually I cook every day. My family always love to eat, so you know, I'm always cooking. Let's see. I'm gonna turn this like this because you get a better view. Let's put it this way. Okay. It's a process, but it's so well worth it. I think this whole process takes about maybe 10 minutes, I want to say. I'm not sure if it's about 10, maybe 11 or 12 minutes. I think 12 minutes is the most. I guess it depends on your cafetera because mine, I thought after having it so many years that I would have broke it in already and it would have just started coming a little faster. Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. Okay. You see this right here? That's the first spout. So I got to take this off the flame. Bring it over here and close this top. Okay, I'm going to bring this over here. And I'm going to pour at least a few drops. Not so much. You don't want to put so much in the, yeah, I think that might be enough. Okay, so let me put this back over here so the coffee can start. Okay, I'm going to put my camera down here. And I'm going to see if I can show you. I hope I can. Okay. And my lighting is not that great. Okay, let's see if I can do it. I might need a little bit more sugar, but then again, let's see. Just a tiny bit. Drop. Okay. Let's see if this is right. And what you have to do is stir it very vigorously. Because you want to form the, like a paste, kind of. And, after you get used to doing this, it becomes easier. When you're stirring the sugar and the coffee together, the coffee changes the sugar into about maybe say a caramel color. Okay, so you gotta beat it as hard as you can. You really need muscles to do this. Okay. It's kind of tiring, but, you know, after a while, if you do this, well, I've been doing this for a while, so I'm so used to it. It doesn't bother me. It doesn't really bother me. Anyway, I want to show you what it looks like. This is the paste. So let me see if I can kind of show you in my camera. I'm going to try to turn the camera around. So, hold on one second. This is, let me see if you can see. This is what you want. You see this right here? This consistency, it looks like peanut butter. See that? It's so thick. I hope you can see it. It's so thick. Okay. So this is what you're going to put a little bit of sugar into your espresso cup. because that's where you want to form the espumita. Espumita is like a foam. Let's see if I can show you. Hold on one second. Okay, let me lift this up. Okay. You see this? You want to get as much as you can off the spoon. And then you want to wait for the coffee to come up. Let's see if it's almost, yeah, it's almost full. Give it a few seconds. And I'm just going to put this camera down for 1 moment. Okay. Then you have more sugar in this part of the cup that you want to scrape. Try to scrape as much as you can off of it. And what really forms the espumita is the sugar. This is the paste that you make. And let me take this off of here now and cut this off. Okay, so I'm gonna pour. Let me see. Can you see this? Let's try it this way. Let me grab the camera. Okay, I'm gonna do it this way. Okay. Oops. Here we go. So you're going to. You see that? That's the espumita forming at the top. That's it. And then the rest of it goes into this cup. Everybody does this differently. I've had a few people do it different ways. Some people take and put the sugar inside the coffee pot itself. I don't like it that way. Okay. I like to I like to put it in the cup itself and then pour it out. Okay, and then this is my cup right here. I don't think I have enough sugar. Let's see. I might have enough sugar. Let's see. And if you don't have enough sugar, yeah, if you don't have enough, you can take the foam from the top if you like the espumita, and you can put it right like that. Look how pretty this is. Look at that. All right. So basically, this is what you have. This is Cuban coffee. You see this right here? Look at that. It looks like milk is in it, but it's not. It's just the espumita on the top. Well, guys, I want to thank you for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe to my Facebook, to my YouTube, to my Twitter channel, and to my Instagram. Thank you. Have a nice day.